Hello everyone, this is Sarah from Ask Design Group. In this video, we will show you how source code summary works. We will start by linking SC Summary software to your text editor. We have 4 choices to select: Notepad, Atom, Visual Studio Code, or Sublime Text. Okay, we choose Sublime Text, and we're gonna browse the executable file of Sublime Text. When we notice the approved notification, means it is actually linked. You can customize the keyboard shortcut to switch between SC Summary and the text editor, and you can also manage and edit extensions allowed in SC Summary to list the files that contains the comments. Source Code Summary uses this comment symbol to list all your comments in the software, and it is, of course, editable. Now that all the settings are done, we're gonna save all this. And we can start creating a new project. We name it Example. And we're gonna insert project folder path or browse it here. You can add other folders of your project to be analyzed by the software. Then we confirm and select the example project. You can notice that the list below shows all your files and comments from your project. You can access with one click directly in your editor text in index file, as you can see. And we can get back to SC Summary with F4 key shortcut as configured in settings. SC Summary can open comments in different files. For example, we can access MySQL login in mysql.php file. For example, newsletter, and Ajax function in script.js file, go to scroll animation, same thing with logo font in style.css file, and so on. In the list above, start creating an SC Summary tree of your project. You can add here categories and comments. We name our category My Work. Then we add a subcategory, login form, and newsletter section. Now we create a common example, we call it test. Just don't forget the special symbol and also add it in SC Summary tree. You can then select the file location of this comment, and guess what? It's working. There is also an easy way to add comments. It's to simply drag comments from your list below and drop it in your list above. For example, you can organize your work by joining comments in your tree categories. It's actually a way to simplify your project into a diagram in order to clarify your vision of coding. Now we can access comments in your text editor easily with only one click. MySQL login in mysql.php, login submit in script.js, newsletter PHP in mysql.php. Concerning tree edition, check the edit mode to be able to rename or delete categories and comments. Here is a note for you. If you edit comments in your source code, you need to edit them also in SC Summary tree, or if you try to access to this comment, SC Summary notices you with an error notification about the fact that it has been edited or deleted. We made for you a debug checkbox that allows you to check if comments tree is available in your file. As you can see, this comment is not found, so we can copy it and rename it in our tree. Okay, now there is no more error notification. You can normally access to it. You can move comments and categories order in SC Summary tree by holding Ctrl key and arrow up to move up or arrow down to move down. You can search comments in your source code, for example, login form, newsletter, or you can search them in your tree above, for example, subscribe. Also, there is an advanced search available where you can filter only comments with file extensions, for example, CSS comments or PHP comments or HTML or JS. You can zoom the tree by enabling the color mode. All comments not added in your tree become red. For example, login design is already added, but these 4 comments are not. You can add tasks by associating comments from your main tree. This can help you display in the chosen comments that concern your task, for example, the task fix newsletter. We can add a new task, for example, footer bug, and select comments that concern the footer and confirm. You can switch between tasks or show the main tree. So if you are in task mode, you can enable a keyboard shortcut in settings and you can access the task comments with numeric keys. With the numeric keys, you can switch between the 9 first comments from 1 to 9. For example, number 1 for first comment, subscribe HTML, and number 2 for subscribe CSS. You can add an image and associate comments from your main tree as tasks function. As you can see in these images, for example, menu, button, logo, and if we click, for example, in logo, we can show only the comments that we choose for this image. In the image mode, you can also enable the keyboard shortcut system. We uncheck image mode to show the main tree. You can add multiple pages. We enable edition mode first and we add a new page. For example, contact page. And we can add an image in this page. We give a description to this image, contact support, and we select comments. And you can browse a picture or paste it. We confirm. Now you can access only the chosen comments by clicking image contact. Thank you for watching. Join us and get access to source code summary. Start organizing your work and save time.